Do you want to sound much more fluent very quickly? Here's my tip. Listen to this. I live in the UK. Now, most of you, when you say that, break it up. I live in the UK. Remember, a big deep breath in. Join the words together. I live in the UK. I live in the UK. Hear it like it's all one word. As you breathe out, fill your breath with sound. I live in the UK. If you're in a business meeting or you're meeting your friends, silence can be a little bit embarrassing. So when you are talking, but if you just put all the words on your breath as you breathe out, and if you don't know what to say, or if you need more time to find the words, all you have to do is to stretch. Listen to this. Deep breath. I don't know the answer to that question. Let me think about that for a moment. That's much better than simply saying I don't know the answer. So remember, let your breathing guide you. As you push the breath out, fill it with sound. Even if it's just to say, I'm not sure, let's see. I live in the UK. I've been here, how many years? Those are the kind of answers that make you sound more fluent. Like and subscribe for more of these tips. See you. Bye.